My name is Trey Chambers, and I'm the owner of Express Dental Laboratory, located out of Norman, Oklahoma in the United States. We are a full-service lab, so we make all kinds of prosthetics, both removable and fixed. When we started 3D printing, we used a couple different technologies. We would constantly have parts break on these printers. We'd have reliability issues. I wanted something that was reliable, something that consistently produced. So with the Origin One printer, we found finally a printer that would just print hour after hour, day after day without experiencing failures in our print jobs. The printer is really well built. It's a really nice printer, and there's a lot of things that it has within it to control the environment in which you're printing. It was really easy to put into our workflow. It has provided the consistent results that we need. We've been able to control our cost per model. The machine is very low maintenance. They also have great validated resins that allow us to produce really high quality prints in a short amount of time. So the jobs that we run on the Origin One range from anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. So it has a high production output. We're able to print something very quickly, do it at an affordable price, and the product that we're getting is a really high quality product. And we're able to use the GrabCAD software to not only control the two Origin One printers that we have, but also to control the 3J5 printers that we're using. So it's nice to be able to have the operator using one software to control 5 different pieces of equipment that we're using to manufacture. I would definitely recommend the Stratasys additive manufacturing solutions to any other lab owner out there. They're constantly innovating and coming up with new solutions. We've just been blown away with the products and the support that Stratasys has given us over these years.